Welcome back. I see we haven't scared you off yet. This is going to be our lesson on agreed upon procedures. And well, some people have scared me off with this lesson. When I was taking the exam, I had no idea what an agreed upon procedure was. I got by the skin of my teeth. I was just trying to memorize everything. But obviously, since then, I have gone back and learned, and it's kind of quite simple what this is. And I really like simplifying this. I quite enjoy these light bulb moments, and I love bringing them to candidates. Now, I know I can't see your reaction, but when I tutor and work with students live on Zoom or anything like that, I can see those reactions. I really do hope you are having these light bulb moments as we go through these lessons. Now, what is an agreed upon procedure? I'm going to obviously have a slide on that, but really this is going to be a customized engagement type. It's in between an audit and kind of a consulting engagement where the client says we need X, Y, and Z done, maybe throw a little bit of A and B, but not C. You're going to see that sort of trend here. Let's dive into our learning objectives before we really dive into the nitty-gritty ins and outs of agreed upon procedures. Hey there! Are you ready to not only pass your CPA exams, but truly understand and enjoy the material while studying? I know it seems impossible, right? Especially to enjoy the material? We'll do it together. Tap into the power of CPA.examprep.ai, where we've got personalized quizzes, multiple choice questions, memorization guides, flashcards, simulations, all tailored to your learning. Our adaptive study planning puts you on the fastest path to success and lifts you back up if you fall behind. Avoid wasting your precious time and money attempting an exam with a low chance of passing, because who wants that? We want to get you through this process as quick as possible. Our exam readiness prediction lets you walk in with confidence, knowing that you're prepared for success on exam day. Thankfully, there's no payment method needed to get started, so why don't you come join us? Visit cpa.examprep.ai and let's achieve your exam success together.